So these were the toilet bolt caps, the kit that came with the toilet, and was wondering if anyone else has had this problem. This is just a common thing that I run into across the board, and I thought maybe it was just the manufacturer of this particular
Though I've had it
bolt,
with
but
many others.
just one of these little gripes that I have, and something to work out for toilet manufacturers, I would think.
Thing I wish toilet cap hole makers would make would be when they make this bottom piece, make a piece that inserts into the bolt deal so it doesn't slide around on
To
you.
make the cap positioning easier.
It's kind of easy. See how it wants to slide, not stay centered at the bolt. It'd be nice if that would stay centered, or just make the hole the same size as the screw.
The bolt.
I don't know why they do that. Job security though.
And perhaps there's a more deeper reason for that than I know. If anyone knows, I'd be interested to hear your comments down below.